Hi, I'm Linda Hutchinson of L. Hutchinson Designs. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a felt headband. I have a simple headband here that you can usually get a package of assorted colors. It's fabric over a metal band that stretches. I have a couple of felt hearts that I cut out in coordinating colors and a little coordinating color gem to add a little accent. So I'm just going to take a little hot glue. I'm going to put it off center. I don't want it right in the center. I kind of like the asymmetry of just having it off to the side. But you can put it wherever you prefer. I'm just going to put the heart right there and hold it in place for a moment to dry. Now felt is very easy to cut out. You can cut it into all kinds of shapes. You can even buy it pre-cut in the craft store. I'm going to put another drop of glue right in the middle there. It doesn't take a lot of glue because it's very lightweight stuff. I'm going to hold that in place there. I like layering it. Gives it a nice depth and texture. And then I'm just going to take a little tiny bit of glue, again right in the middle. And I'm going to put this little gemstone right in the middle and hold it there for a moment. Any of the strings from the glue you can easily pull away. Don't be alarmed. And there you have a really cute and quick way to make a felt headband for the little girl in your life. My name is Linda Hutchinson, and thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.